to embrace the fire within and let it take over. What spices up your life? My guest, Sacha spices up her life by producing, composing, and singing. Sachita, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Muchas gracias.
Libanese, Mexicana. What does that make you?
I'm a tabbouleh taco.
Sacha, I know that you're an amazing producer, an amazing jazz singer, and that you sing in different parts of the world. Can you take me to a little bit of your life?
Sure. So I live in Paris, and I travel around the world singing. Japan, Hawaii, San Francisco, New York, all the way to Istanbul.
Sacha, you told me you love Chile, but have you ever had one that actually made you cry?
Oh, I love chiles. All chiles. Yo soy como el chile verde, llorona picante, pero sabrosa. Yo soy como el chile verde, llorona picante, pero sabrosa.
Wow, 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 wow. Let me get a hug. Wow, this is incredible. Amiga, I consider you a force within the Latin community. Is that true?
I think so. I'm a female producer of 22 years in this community around the world, and I bring together people through the music, through events, and also through service, leading the way and giving back to the future generations.
I agree. Mentoring is part of a legacy. Mentoring is part of showing people who we are. I think it's about time to check in the pasta. Would you like to take a look?
La pasta.
Oh. While we prepare this dish, would you mind telling me what spices up your life?
What spices up my life? Spontaneity and passion in living, in connecting, in all things, in food, in music.
Ay, 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 ay.
Canta y no llores,
Porque cantando se alegra, cielito lindo.
los corazones.
That's the best I can do. Don't forget to click down below for more recipes and more episodes. Remember, we need to know what spices up your life.